25 minutes? I don't know if we're gonna make it. It is day 3 in Jordan and the weather is insanely beautiful. I mean, I just came from snow, so this is ridiculous. So I'm currently on vacation in Amman, Jordan. I'm visiting my parents, and I thought, why don't I do a day in the life here? I've never done one before. I've grown up here on and off pretty much my entire life. Went to high school here, went to a year of university here, and I never once did a day in the life video, and I kind of want to do one. Today is Friday, so at the moment it's not very busy outside, but it's gonna pick up later in the evening. Last night I asked my dad if we could go out at 6:30, and he is like, that is way too early. We didn't end up going out until 8, and then we didn't even eat dinner until 10 o'clock last night, which you can't even find restaurants open at 10 o'clock where I live in the United States. We had Indian food last night, and then I got 2 awesome shirts from my favorite shops. I got this shirt, it says Arabi. It says half in English, half in Arabic, because that's what I am, half and half. Technically I'm Circassian, but half and half, it's pretty sweet. And then I got this from Joe Bedu. It says Marvel, but upon closer inspection, you can see that there's Arabic calligraphy all over it. How cool is that? Today is an incredibly beautiful day outside. The clouds are insane. So I'm gonna head up to the roof and record some time lapses. Let's go. My camera out for a time lapse, and the little guy was so confused. It is almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are headed to the mall to go see a movie at the cinema. We're gonna see Spies in Disguise, the one with Will Smith. We're gonna use an app called Careem, which is basically their version of Uber. I think they actually have Uber too, don't they? They do have Uber, but my mom uses Careem, so that's what we're using to get there. Hopefully soon, because the movie starts in 25 minutes. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Made it in time to see the movie. I don't know if you can tell, but at the entrance you have to go through security to get in. They like look in your bags and you have to go through a metal detector. At every single mall, it's just kind of normal here. So in the Jordanian movie theaters, they have caramel popcorn, and you can get it mixed with regular. It's so good. Filming some time lapses, and a security guard came up to me and was like, what are you doing? And I was like, just taking pictures. And he's like, oh, okay, I guess that's fine. But it looked suspicious. Anyway, the movie was really good. I quite enjoyed it. Now we're gonna hop in a Careem and head back home. We just got back from the mall. I had a great time. The movie was really good, actually. It was quite funny. We were literally the only people in there that did not bring children, which happens a lot for cartoons. But you know what? That's okay, because I'm an adult and I loved it. It was great. It was all about pigeons, which I'm a big fan of at the moment, because I'm currently trying to make a documentary about pigeons, because my dad has a bunch of them. His pigeons are actually pretty incredible. They're quite beautiful if you watch them. Here's a little clip of some of the footage I have so far. We are just about to go out again. We're gonna go check out IKEA. Now, I don't vlog a lot in public in Jordan because it is incredibly awkward. I mean, it's just not something that people here are used to. And I don't have the confidence to have people stare at me here. In the US, I do it all the time and I don't really care. But here, I'm not comfortable with that. So I don't do a lot of vlogging outside in the public. I also don't do a lot of shooting with like a big proper camera because you can't. I mean, I got caught by security shooting a time lapse on my tiny point and shoot. This little guy right here. He saw my camera on the ground and he was like, "What are you doing? Are you filming a video?" And I'm like, "No, I'm taking time lapse, photo." And he's like, "Oh, just a photo?" I'm like, "Yeah, just a photo." And he's like, "Oh, okay, that's fine then." Don't really know what difference it makes, but there's a ton of security pretty much everywhere that you go, malls, grocery stores, everything. So it's just really hard to film. So that's why most of my videos are a combination of this camera and my phone, which actually when we go to IKEA, I'm just gonna bring my phone. It is basically the exact same as the one in the United States, but with more Arabic. I got 3 things today: a bath mat for my bathroom, this little thing, which I guess you can put like, I don't know, flowers or whatever, pencils. I don't really know. It just looks really cool and it matches the aesthetic of my bathroom, which is blue. So I'm gonna go put it in there. So my entire bathroom has a blue aesthetic. We have the towel, the shower curtain, my new bath mat, even my soap is blue. That's how much detail they go into my bathroom. Even my toothbrush has blue on it. So I have this to add to my bathroom now. It's a nice little addition. Don't really know where to put it though. The thing I'm most excited about is this. How cool is it? It's an hourglass and it's got little blue beads in it. And I just thought it looked really cool and I could maybe use it for a video of some kind. I'm not sure what, but I like it. I'm curious though, I don't know how long this times, so I think we need to find out. I'm thinking maybe it's gotta be more than a minute, because like look how much is in there. It's gotta be maybe like 3 minutes, possibly. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's definitely over a minute. We know that for sure. Oh, it's done. What? Okay, whoever designed this completely failed, because that is 2 minutes and 19 seconds. You couldn't even make it a solid 2 minutes or 2.5. I mean, who's like, I need to measure exactly 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Let me get one of these. That makes no sense. Why would you not round this up or down? It still looks pretty cool though, so I'm gonna use it. This mug is from my prom in 2008. So long ago. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my day in Amman. I love the city so much. I miss it when I'm in the US. I feel like I don't get to spend enough time here. That is also why I'm making this video, is so my future self can look back at these memories. There's honestly so much to do in this country as a whole. My family and I like to go on road trips all over the place. We've been to the Dead Sea, Ajlan, and Salt during this trip, but I've been down to Wadi Rum, Petra, Aqaba, pretty much all over the country. I absolutely love getting out of the city and exploring the country as a whole, but Amman is definitely my favorite city. There's incredible coffee shops. I love just walking down the streets, looking at the different architecture. There's just so much culture and personality to the buildings in this city. Today definitely wasn't the most cultural day in Amman because we went to a movie and then IKEA, but I'll have plenty of other videos where I'm just exploring the streets of Amman, checking out the Roman ruins, going to the Dead Sea, and Ajlan, and all those fun trips. So make sure you're subscribed so you'll be notified as soon as those videos go up. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.